Hello everyone, I'm Isha Bahekar and I'm a nutritionist researcher at InnerFix. So today I'm going to cover the topic muscle gain diet. So what are the main components of a muscle gain diet? The first one are your proteins, the second one is your fat, and the third one are your carbohydrates. Equally important, all three of them. So the first one, if we go to see, are your proteins. Main building blocks of your life, essential amino acids profile, and mainly useful in your muscle repair. The second one are your fats. They are good for your hormone control, specifically testosterone, which is good in building your muscle. And the third one are your carbs. Carbs are equally important along with the other two components, as these are your main and primary source of glucose. So you get your main initial energy from your carbohydrates, muscle building capacity from other two. I have been in this field for a very long time and I have collected a few myths which I would like to explain from previous clients. So here we go. So first one is that you need to eat as much protein as possible to build your muscle, which is not exactly true. But yes, while protein is also crucial for your growth and for the muscle growth, you don't need to have it in maximum amounts to contain or grow more muscle. So here what you have to do, you have to have a balance of all protein, carbs and fat. So here if you see an image specifically containing how much protein you should have. So most of your meal plate should actually contain protein. Along with that, a good amount of carbs, and the medium can be the fats. So definitely this is how a meal plate should look like when you're also bulking. Second myth which I have is that carbs will make you fat, so avoid them if you want to build muscle. So as we all know, carbohydrates are essential for energy purpose. Glucose will be your primary source come what may. It is not going to change to anything else. So having the right amount of carbs in every meal is equally important as having proteins in all your meals. Then the third one is that you have to eat every 2 to 3 hours to build muscle. Frequent meals can help some people if that is their requirement. So the requirement will vary from person to person. Somebody can be here जिनको शायद हम बोल सकते हैं कि दिन के 2 ही meals रखते हैं. But there can be another client who or a person who will be needing at least 4 meals in a day to complete the requirement. Hunger peaks उनके बाद में आने नहीं चाहिए. So that is the main purpose of planning a balanced diet here with taking the needs into consideration. Then the next myth which I had is that eating fat will make you fat and slow down muscle growth. So like I explained previously, healthy fats are equally important because they also alter the function of testosterone, which will help in building more muscle. So having the right amount of fats definitely will matter, and what type you are having them in. So basically if you see the image here, ghee, butter and coconut oil are the main fat mediums which you should have, along with nuts and seeds for instance. Then the next part here can be about supplements if they are essential for muscle gain. It can again vary from individual to individual because some might face inflammation. I had a few clients जो मुझको आके बोलते थे that I generally have pain in my calf muscles after a heavy workout. So that is when lactic acid is in play. So that is not exactly happening due to muscle breakage or muscle tearage, but definitely that is your immune response working. So here a healthy dose of fats is going to help you out. So here are a few myths which I wanted to share with you.